I work in a library within a leisure centre, Deeside Library. I serve the public. I do administrative duties as well. I help the public choose books, whatever books they may want, give advice, and I also help people on the computer. I hear the public frequently saying it's so handy. They may be perhaps going to the spa or the gym or even just for a coffee to sit down with friends. But when they notice that there's a library, they look twice and then they usually will join. It suits a lot of people who think it's very handy, and it's an attractive library, and I think that the leisure staff are proud of the library as well.